excited. I have a few questions for you. So, Ms. Rupa, for the meantime, how do you feel that Novolution has chosen you as their first brand ambassador?
Well, first of all, I feel very honored. I feel proud because I'm not only a mother, a daughter, a sister, but I'm also a woman, an empowered woman that has really sacrificed a lot for her family. Katulad yung lahat din mga babae. As a matter of fact, I just arrived yesterday morning. I'm down with the flu. Umuubo pa rin ako hanggang ngayon. It was my daughter's milestone graduation in the United States. And she just graduated college. And nakakatuwa isipin bilang isang nanay na yung anak natin nag-graduate. Sino ba dito nag-graduate na yung mga anak? Ay, hindi pa masyado marami. Marami na. And syempre, especially sa mga single moms din. Sino ba dito mga single moms na nagsakripisyo para magtrabaho talaga para sa mga anak nila? So, isa ako sa mga single moms na nag-sacrifice talaga sa mga anak. So, para makita natin yung mga anak natin na talagang nandun, proud na proud tayo bilang isang ina. So, I'm very happy and honored that my daughter was able to graduate. And I feel that being an endorser and a new brand ambassador of Novolution, talagang I can relate to also a lot of the women that are here also today. So,